In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget your paycheck in Notion. First, open up your browser and head over to Notion. So once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Notion is a powerful tool that we are going to use today to keep track of our income and expenses effectively. So let's get started. Once you're logged in, your first task is to create a new page. Click on the New Page option and title this page as Paycheck Budget Dashboard. This will be your central hub for managing your budget. By setting it up as a dashboard, you'll have a clear and organized place to see all your financial information at a glance. Next, we're going to add a table specifically for your income. Tables in Notion are incredibly versatile and will help you visualize your financial data clearly. Go ahead and create a new table on your Paycheck Budget Dashboard. Once you have this table, rename it to Income. In this table, you'll need to add columns that are crucial for tracking your financial inflows. You might want to include columns such as the source of income, the amount, and the date received. This setup will ensure you have all the necessary details right at your fingertips. Now that we have your income laid out, let's move on to your expenses. Just like before, add another table to your dashboard, but this time for expenses. Name this table Expenses. Here, you'll want to be methodical in setting up columns. Think about what details are important for each expense. You might include columns like category, amount, due date, or even payment method. Having this structured setup will allow you to see exactly where your money is going and help identify patterns over time. To further enhance your budgeting experience, we highly recommend adding views for clarity. Notion allows you to create different views so you can change how your tables are displayed. This can be immensely helpful if you want to switch quickly between a detailed view of all individual line items and a summary view, which could show you monthly trends or totals. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to budget your paycheck using Notion. With your Paycheck Budget Dashboard now in place, you have a visual and organized tool to help you manage your finances with ease. Just remember to keep your tables updated as you receive income and pay expenses, and regularly review your budget to make informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.